What's going on, everyone? Mitesh here with MTech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your mechanical keyboard, because let's face it, if you're like me, you haven't cleaned it in a while and it's gotten pretty gross. So this is my keyboard that I use at my office, and it's been about a year since I've cleaned it, and yeah, it's got so much dust, stuff between the keys, and yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean this, so let's get started. Get weekly tech news, product reviews, and how-to videos. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Alright, so step number one is to get all those keycaps off. So you're going to be using a keycap puller and pull all those off. I have my wire one that came with my Cooler Master keyboard, so I'm just going to use those to pull all of these off. But you may not have one, you may get a plastic one, and that's fine. I've heard people not recommend them because it can scratch your keycaps, but if you have pretty cheap keycaps like I do, it's not a huge deal. So once you have the keycaps off, you can go ahead and throw them inside a bucket or a bowl, something that can hold water and some dish soap, so you can clean these keycaps off so you can get rid of all those oils and whatever else is built up on there over time. And while your keycaps are soaking, you can start working on the keyboard itself. So you'll probably have a ton of dust and stuff, and what I find is easiest is just to use a vacuum just to get all the big stuff out. If you want to be a little bit more careful, you can use a Q-tip and try to get some of that stuff out. But yeah, for the most people, I think just using a vacuum, just having one of those attachments that will pick up all that stuff is probably the best way to do it. And then the next part is optional, but you can also go ahead and open the keyboard up to clean out the insides. I went ahead and did this because I've opened the keyboard up before, but if you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to do this step. But yeah, once you open it up, you can just clean out the underside of it in case anything's fallen under there. Mine was actually pretty good, but I went ahead and vacuumed it up anyways. And then finally, after a couple hours of the keycap soaking, you can take them out, let them dry completely, and then you can start putting them back on. Now this will be a little bit challenging for most of us. There's a lot of keys that it turns out most of us probably don't use, so look up a keycap layout on Google, just Google it and you'll be fine. So get all the keycaps on, and then yeah, there you go. That's all it takes to get yourself a clean keyboard, something that we should probably do more often, but we probably still won't. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, and leave me a comment just letting me know if you guys like keyboard videos or not, because I enjoy making them, but if you don't like them, I'll stop making them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!